In this video, you will learn how to build a water level indicator circuit on the PCB. This indicator will generate an alarm when the tank is full. If you are familiar with PCB design, building the water level circuit on a PCB is an excellent practice. Simply follow the given diagram to create your custom PCB, allowing for a more polished and permanent implementation of the water level sensing system. If creating your own PCB seems challenging, no worries. You can easily replicate the project on a veroboard. Check out our video tutorial for step-by-step guidance on building the same project on a veroboard, ensuring a successful and accessible alternative. Now this is time to make soldering on the PCB. You can download the circuit diagram from the link in the description section. Now connect the water probe to the PCB using wires of different colors. Utilizing distinct colors will facilitate easy identification, ensuring a seamless connection between each wire and its corresponding sensor probe. After completing all the wiring between the circuit module and the water probe, it's now time to test the project. When the water level reaches the low level probe, the transistor T1 activates its indicator. For each corresponding probe, the respective transistor activates its indicator. When the water level drops, and it no longer touches the water probe, the corresponding transistor turns off its related indicator. Install this water level indicator in your home now, and manage water in the water tank easily.